Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the time on iPhone. First, open your iPhone Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General, then select Date and Time. You'll see a toggle labeled Set Automatically. Make sure this toggle is switched on. This allows your iPhone to automatically update its time based on your network provider, ensuring it's always accurate, even when you travel across different time zones. It's the easiest way to keep your clock precise. Sometimes you might need to set the time manually. To do this, first turn off the Set Automatically toggle in the Date and Time settings. Once it's off, you'll see the current date and time displayed. Tap on this area and a scrollable wheel will appear. You can then easily adjust the hour, minute, and even the AM or PM setting to your exact preference. Remember to re-enable Set Automatically later if you want your phone to manage it again. Your iPhone usually detects your time zone automatically when Set Automatically is enabled. However, if you're in an area with unusual time zone rules, or if you prefer to set it yourself, you can. Below the Set Automatically toggle, you'll find Time Zone. Tap on it, and you can search for a specific city or region to manually select the correct time zone for your location. This is helpful if your phone isn't picking up the right one. Finally, let's look at the 24-hour time format. In the same date and time settings, you'll see a toggle for 24-hour time. If you prefer to see time displayed from 0000 to 23:59, simply switch this toggle on. If you prefer the standard AM and PM format, ensure it's switched off. This setting changes how time appears across your entire iPhone, from the lock screen to your calendar and messages.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.